There's a red sunset bleeding through the pines, radio humming those old downtown lines. I pull over where the gravel meets the dark, with a bottle of memory and my guitar. She used to dance barefoot in the kitchen light, laugh so wild it could bring me back to life. Now her memory rides every boulevard through the strings of this old guitar. I ain't trying to outrun the past, just making peace with what didn't last. Every lonely mile leaves another scar between this whiskey and my guitar. Whiskey and my guitar, only things that know my heart. One keeps burning, one keeps singing when the whole world falls apart. Every chord pulls me through the dark, every sip goes down like a spark. Yeah, when I don't know where you are, I hold on to whiskey and my guitar. Whiskey for the missing you, guitar for making it through. Crowd singing loud in a downtown bar, but somehow I still hear where you are. In every slide and every faded chord, in every prayer I can't afford. Maybe love's just a highway line, gone too fast when you blink your eyes, but I still chase it under these stars with this whiskey and my guitar. Whiskey and my guitar, only things that know my heart. One keeps burning, one keeps singing when the whole world falls apart. Every chord pulls me through the dark, every sip goes down like a spark. Yeah, when I don't know where you are, I hold on to whiskey and my guitar. So if you see me underneath these lights, playing songs to the Tennessee night, know I made it this far with some whiskey and my guitar.
This dance is called Whiskey and My Guitar, choreographed by Guyton Mundy. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improve level line dance. There's one restart in this dance. Section 1. Starting with right foot, keep ball touch. Kick right foot to the right diagonal, side, touch left foot behind, side, weave. Behind side, cross, side, right foot, cross, shuffle. Section 2, left foot back, right foot side, left foot cross, quarter turn left, right foot back, facing 9, shuffle half turn to your left, quarter turn left, side together, quarter turn left forward, facing 3, quarter turn to your left, right foot, big step, side, drag your left together. Now you're facing 12 o'clock. Section 3, right foot, shuffle back, left foot, rock back, recover, 3/4 turn to your left, left foot forward, half turn left, right foot back, quarter turn left, side shuffle. Now you're facing 3 o'clock. Last section, right foot cross, hold, left foot back, hold, right foot back, left foot cross, quarter turn left, right foot back, quarter turn left, left foot forward. Now you're facing 9 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 whole 2, 3 whole 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there's a restart on wall 2. You will dance 16 counts, then restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with counts starts facing 9 o'clock. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 counts. Now restart the dance facing 9 o'clock. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.